Welcome back. Today we are going to learn the nomenclature of halo compounds. The common name of alkyl halides are derived by the name, the alkyl group followed by halide. For example, CS3, CS2, CS2Br. So what is the alkyl group taken? 3 carbon atoms are there, so propyl group. And bromine is the halogen taken. So general format is alkyl halide. So alkyl group is propyl and the general name or common name for the compound is propyl bromide. Another example, CS3, CHCl, CS3. The alkyl group is isopropyl group. So the common name of compound is isopropyl chloride. One more example, that is CS3, CHCS3, CS2Cl. The alkyl group is isobutyl group. So the compound is isobutyl chloride. Next one, IUPAC naming system. Alkyl halides are named as halo-substituted hydrocarbons in the IUPAC system of nomenclature. That is, the format is haloalkane. So for the first case, that is CS3, CS2, CS2Br, the halogen is bromine and alkane is propane. Here we have to mention the number of carbon atom which is attached to the halogen atom. That is here carbon number is 1. So the name is, IUPAC name of the above compound is 1-bromopropane. Second one, CS3, CSCl, CS3. Here the alkane is propane and the halogen is chlorine. The carbon number here is 2. Actually we have to give least number for the carbon atom which is attached to functional group, that is alpha carbon atom. And one more thing we have to consider is that we have to start numbering from either right side or left side. For the first example, that is CS3, CS2, CS2Br, you can have 2 choices for numbering. First one starting from left, second one starting from right. If you started from left side, so that you are getting the number 3 for the alpha carbon atom. If you are starting from right side, you are getting 1 for alpha carbon atom. So we have to opt the second option, that is starting from right side. So you are getting least number. So the compound is 1-bromopropyl. In the case of second example, if you are numbering from any of the atom, any of the side, you are getting 2 for alpha carbon atom. So the IUPAC name should be 2-chloropropane. For the third example, that is CS3, CHCS3, CS2Cl. Here branching also is there, and here also we have to give least number for the alpha carbon atom. So starting from right side, 1 for the alpha carbon atom, 2 for the carbon atom which is having branching, and 3 for the last carbon atom. So you can have 1 chloro and 2 methyl group. After that, chlorine, C is coming first in the alphabetic order. So we have to write 1 chloro 2 methyl propyl and not 2 methyl 1 chloropropyl, because C comes first than M. So the compound is 1 chloro 2 methyl propyl. The IUPAC naming of aryl halides. The common and IUPAC name of aryl halides are haloarenes itself. For monosubstituted benzene, that is bromobenzene, the IUPAC and common name is bromobenzene. For disubstituted benzene, that is dibromobenzene, we have to consider the number of carbon atoms in which the bromine is attached. In the above compound, 1, 3 are the position in which bromine is attached. So the IUPAC name is 1,3-dibromobenzene. For common naming, for dibromobenzene, we have to consider three different names. That is ortho, meta and para. Ortho position means the substituents are present in first and second carbon atom. Okay. So that is 1,2-dibromobenzene, commonly known as ortho-dibromobenzene. And for 1,3-dibromobenzene, that is bromine is attached to first and third carbon atom. That is called, in commonly it is known as meta-dibromobenzene. And if the second bromine is attached to the fourth carbon atom, that is 1,4-dibromobenzene, then the common name is para-dibromobenzene. Then the third example, that is 3 bromine is attached to the same benzene ring. Okay, so here 1, 3, 5 positions are attached with the bromine atom. So the IUPAC name is 1,3,5-tribromobenzene, and they are placed in a symmetrical way, no? So the common name is sim-tribromobenzene. Sim stands for symmetrical. Next one, CS3, CS3 twice, CS2Cl. You can see on the screen. Here you have to count the number from chlorine side so that you are getting least number for the alpha carbon atom. Okay. So the IUPAC name is 1-chloro-2,2-dimethyl propyl. Next one, CS3, CHBr, CS3. Here 2 is the carbon number, so 2-bromopropyl. The dihaloalkanes having the same type of halogen atoms are named as alkylidine or alkyline dihalides. They are further classified as geminal halides and vicinal halides. In geminal halides, both halogens are present on the same carbon atom. We are writing as gem halides. Example, CS3CHCl2, that is gem dihalides. Vicinal halides are those halides in which the halogen atoms are present on the adjacent carbon atom. Example, CH2Cl, CS2Cl, that is vicinal dihalide. In common name system, gem dihalides are named as alkylidine halides and vicinal dihalides are named as alkyline dihalides. In IUPAC system, they are named as dihaloalkanes. For the previous example, no, the common name, that is CS3CHCl2. Its common name is ethylidine chloride and IUPAC name is 1,1-dichloroethane. And the next example, CS2Cl, CS2Cl. Its common name is ethylene dichloride and its IUPAC naming is 1,2-dichloromethane. Nature of CX bond. Halogen atoms are more electronegative than carbon atom. So, the carbon-halogen bond, that CX bond of alkyl halide, get polarized. Here, the carbon atom get a partial positive charge, whereas the halogen atom get a partial negative charge. Size of halogen atom increases as we go down the group of the periodic table. So, fluorine is the smallest and iodine is the largest. Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine, like that, no? Consequently, the CH bond length also increases from CF to CI. That is, as the size increases, CX bond length also increases. Thank you.